Ever wonder what happens after you flush the toilet? You press the button, walk away, and just like that, it's gone. But where does it really go? In Singapore, that flush enters a carefully engineered network of sanitary pipelines running below homes, offices, and entire districts. Here's a fun fact. Wastewater and rainwater are kept completely separate. Stormwater flows into canals and drains, but wastewater? It's sent directly to specialized treatment facilities. At Singapore's advanced water reclamation plants, used water is thoroughly treated and cleaned to protect our environment and public health. A portion of this treated water is further purified to produce new water, ultra-clean water used mainly for industrial, commercial, and air cooling purposes. It helps reduce the demand on our reservoirs, making Singapore more water resilient. Behind all this, licensed plumbers, engineers, and inspectors keeping our system flowing safely, efficiently, and sustainably. So the next time you flush, remember, it's not just about where it goes, but how it's managed. Sanitary systems are a cornerstone of a clean, modern Singapore. Need expert plumbing or sanitary solutions? Work with licensed professionals who understand the system, inside and out. Contact us today at +6 5924655925 or visit www.kmanpl.com to build clean, smart, and compliant infrastructure.